Are you looking to learn how to create custom email tracking in Mailchimp? You're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up custom email tracking to get better insights into your campaigns. Stick around until the end, and I'll reveal a few pro tips on how to make the most of your tracking data and an exclusive free trial offer for Mailchimp. To get started, Mailchimp offers built-in email tracking for things like open rates, click rates, and more. But what if you need custom tracking for specific links or actions? That's where custom email tracking comes in. It's a powerful way to track user behavior beyond the basics. First thing, let's start with your Mailchimp account. You'll need to be logged in and inside the campaign you want to track. If you haven't created a campaign yet, simply click Create Campaign and set one up. Make sure you have an email template ready for your campaign, as custom tracking can be added after your email is designed. Next thing, let's enable the basic tracking options first. Under the Tracking section, ensure the standard options like Open Tracking and Click Tracking are activated. These are great out-of-the-box features, but for more tailored tracking, we'll need to do a little more setup. Now, the third thing, custom tracking links. This is where the magic happens. Go to the Content section of your campaign and select the text or image you want to track. Then, you'll create a custom URL using Mailchimp's link tracking feature. By clicking on the link, you'll see an option to add tracking tags. These tags will help you identify who clicked on your link and which specific action they took. The fourth thing, let's dive into Google Analytics integration. This allows you to track specific goals and events that are linked to your email campaign. If you want to track conversions or other specific interactions on your website, integrating Google Analytics with Mailchimp will make this process smoother. Simply go to the Google Analytics section of Mailchimp and connect your account. Then, use UTM tags for even more in-depth tracking. Next, let's talk about custom email tracking for e-commerce. If you're running an online store, you can track customer actions such as purchases directly from the email. Mailchimp makes this easy by automatically tagging products in your emails, which you can later track in your dashboard. This can help you figure out which products are getting the most clicks and sales from your email campaigns. For the next thing, we need to address testing your custom email tracking. Before sending your email campaign out to your full list, it's a good idea to send a test email. This allows you to see how your tracking links are functioning and whether the data is flowing correctly into your Mailchimp reports. Lastly, let's check your reports. Once your email is sent, go to the Reports section in Mailchimp to see the data from your custom tracking links. You'll get detailed insights on things like how many people clicked on your tracked links, who interacted with your email, and how those actions contributed to your overall goals. And that's it. You've learned how to set up custom email tracking in Mailchimp. But before you go, remember, you can use this software for completely free from the first link below and get some exclusive bonuses that can really help you kickstart your email campaigns. Don't miss out on that extended free trial.